Now see question number 3. Draw a line segment XY of length 8 cm. At X and Y, draw perpendiculars to XY using compass and ruler. Are the lines parallel to each other? First of all, we have to draw a line segment whose length is 8 cm. And then at X and at Y, we will draw perpendicular. It means at X and Y, we will make angle of 90 degree, and then we will see whether they are parallel or not. See, first draw a line segment of length 8 cm and give its name XY with the help of scale. Then at X we will make an angle of 90 degree. So open the compass. As we open it, not very much and not very small. Put the needle here. Draw an arc. Now you will not change the radius of the compass. From here, first arc is of 60 degree. Second arc is of 120 degree. Then one arc from here and second arc from here. This point, you will get this point and join this point. This is a perpendicular on XY at point X. Same we will do at Y. Now at Y we will draw an angle of 90 degree. So put the needle at Y and draw an arc like this. This time we will start from here because our line segment is to the left. This angle is of 60 degree. Now at 60, and this is of 120 degree. Now one arc from 60 and one arc from 120. This is the point, and join this point with Y. This is perpendicular on Y. We can give its name. This is XY. We can put this R or this S. Now we have to observe that RX or SY are parallel or not. Yes, they are parallel to each other. Now see question number 4. Draw a line PQ. Take a point M outside it and through M. Draw a line parallel to PQ using compass and ruler. Same as we have done in question number 2. We will take a point outside, but now we will draw a line which is not perpendicular, which should be parallel to the given line. So first of all, we have to draw a line PQ. So we have drawn a line PQ here and put the point P and Q. Okay, now we have to take a point M outside the line. So I have taken it. You will take this line about 4 or 5 lines of your notebook. I have taken it towards right, bit right side. I will tell you why I have taken it here. Okay, now we will take a point here also. I have taken it this towards right. Now I will take a point on the line from my side. N. I have taken this point on line. I have taken this towards right. I have taken this towards bit left. Now I will join them. I will tell you why I have taken point like this. Now I have joined this. Okay. Now take the compass and open it as we always open. Put the needle here at N and draw an arc like this. And now you will keep the radius of the compass same and put the needle at M and M, and then from this line segment draw an arc like this. Here arc was to this side, and here we will draw an arc to opposite side. Okay, now we will open this compass equal to this angle, see. Now put the needle here and draw an arc. Okay, now here I got this point and I will join these two points, and I have extended both sides. Now I got this line which is parallel to this. What I have done here, I have made alternate interior angles. That's why I have taken point here and here. This and this, these 2 points are alternate interior angle, and you have studied this concept in chapter 11 that in case of parallel lines, alternate interior angles are equal. Because I want to construct parallel lines, so I have made equal alternate interior angles. So automatically my lines are parallel. Okay, now you will try these questions, and if still there is some problem, you can ask from me. But if you watch video 2 or 3 times, you will be able to construct this. Thank you.